All right, guys, here we go. Example 4 says, you have 10 marbles in a bag. Lucky you. Each marble is a different color. Okay, I'm not going to try and figure out what the colors are, chartreuse and those other colors. Each marble has a different color, including red, blue, and green. You draw 3 marbles at random from the bag. Find the probability that you draw a red, green, and blue marble. Now let me ask you something. You're drawing 3 of them, and you want a red, green, and a blue. Does it matter what order you get the red, green, or blue? No. So is this permutation or is it combination, Justin?
Combination.
Combinations, everybody. Good. Okay. So I know I want to find out how many different combinations there are. There's only one combination that works for me, right? Red, blue, or green. So I know with probability that it's desired over the possible. There's only one combination that I want, red, blue, and green. But how many possible combinations are there? Well, combinations of 10 choose 3 is equal to the permutations of 10 choose 3 over 3 factorial. Well, let's find out how many permutations there are first. That's going to be 10 factorial over 10 minus 3 factorial. All right? So that's 10 factorial over 7 factorial. Now I don't have to, you guys are getting better at this. I don't have to write all this out. That's just going to be 10 times 9 times 8. I don't have to keep going because it cancels with the 7 factorial. Okay, now I'm not going to multiply this out. That's 720, right? Okay, but I'm not going to multiply it out. I'm going to take this, I'm going to bring it over here and put it on the top of this fraction. 10 times 9 times 8. That's how many permutations there are. Over 3 times 2 times 1. Right? The 3 factorial. Now the 3 cancels with the 9. I get a 3 here. The 2, I'm going to cancel it with the 8. I could have canceled it with the 10, but I'll cancel it with the 8 and I get 4. Now 4 times 3 is 12 times 10 is 120. So that's how many different combinations there are. Now I asked you this at the beginning. How many of those combinations do I want? Just one. Red, green, and blue. Right? So the probability of me getting a red, a green, and a blue is 1 out of 120 combinations. Which is something like 0.083333, or approximately 8% chance of me getting those. All right? Quickly, Justin, you had a question. Yes, sir.
I think it's 0.83 bar percent. It's 0.0083.
Zero.
No, 0.83 bar percent. Sure.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're right. You're right. It's not 8%. It's 0.83 bar percent. So less than 1 out of 100, right? Because it's 1 out of 120. All right. Great job, guys. I think you're ready for your homework. Good job. Go to it.